No cat with us on the walk today, just Izzy. It is Saturday, and that means it's dump day today. So I got to run to the dump and do a bunch of miscellaneous stuff today because we got a big freeze coming. Today we're supposed to have a high of 40, but the winds are going to gradually increase all day, so it's not going to be really a nice day at all. So what I'm thinking is I will try to get the chainsaw started. It started fine last time, but it was blowing a lot of blue smoke, so might need some adjustment, or maybe there was too much oil in the gas. I don't know what's up with it. But if I can get that started, I'm going to do some cutting and burning down in Oak Savanna project. And like I said, Saturday and Wednesday are dump days, and Natalie and I will be loading up the truck and taking the stuff to the dump. So let me finish up this walk and get to work. I was just checking on the neighbor's place. All is well there. But earlier, I found this on the ground. There's a hickory tree back there that has tons of galls like this on it. I'm going to bring it back and just split it open, see what it looks like. Might be interesting. Too small to do anything with, though. All right, let's get to the dump and start that chainsaw. Now that is pretty cool looking. I like that. And you can see the branch coming up through the center. This winter I'm going to get the wood shop set up. I haven't had it set up the entire time we've lived here because it was stuck in the container. We had no outbuildings until a couple of years ago, and I've been busy basically with horse stuff and the addition, and just never happened. But this winter I'm gonna get the machine set up. I got the electricity. Let's see if I can show you that. There is the 220 outlets for the machines. Got the drill press here, but I have a 8-inch jointer, 13-inch planer. Got a little surface rust on there, but no big deal. Dust collection, mortiser. What else do I have? There's more machines in here. But I'm going to get these set up. They're all on mobile bases, so I can roll them off to the side. I did not want to set up the machine or the wood shop in here. I wanted to use this completely for working on tractors and the vehicles and stuff, but I really have no choice. I gotta get the woodworking machinery set up so that I can make moldings and stuff for the house and make the deck on the addition next year. So that'll be pretty interesting stuff. Then I will get to furniture. We have some big, I don't know, they're probably 2 feet around, burls. Well, it's actually a gall, but the wood is called a burl. We have some giant ones on cherry trees down in the woods. Usually you see these on cherry trees, and I hope to use that for some of the inlays on the furniture I'm building for the house. So should be pretty cool. Okay, time to move the truck. I think I'm just gonna I hate throwing this stuff out. Yeah, I'll just bring this over and weight this down along the foundation until we get the backfill, the correct backfill in there next year. You hate throwing out insulation. It's so expensive and it works wonders. But you got to do what you got to do. All right. I'm going to bring some of this over there, throw some of it in the truck, and then I think I'll show you what our dump looks like. What a treat. I got the chainsaw running and it's all nice and warmed up. What I want to do really quick if possible is get rid of this tangle right here. I have some trees that are bent over from being hit by other trees long ago. I just want to clear out this mess as far back as I can, put it here and burn it. And I would also like to take out that big aspen that's making a bridge right there. I cut that down not this last summer, but the year before that when I first started working on the oak savanna restoration, and I couldn't get at anything this last summer for the most part. I got a few things cut down, but not much. It was mostly planting the prairie grasses and working on the addition. So I'm going to go back up, get the saw, and do as much of this as I can while Natalie gets ready. She's going to go jog the cars around, and then we'll load up with garbage, and I'll show you a country dump. That's as far as I can get right now. I couldn't even cut through the base of that little tree right there. The saw is just so dull, or the chain is so dull. I don't know how the hell it got that way, but I'm going to go sharpen the chain after we get back from the dump. I still want to clean this tangle out right here, all the way into there, and throw it all up onto here, and get rid of the end of this log and the ends of them bigger logs over there. And then tomorrow I'll likely come down here and burn it, maybe today. But first I need a sharp chain. Natalie's up putting garbage into the back of the truck, so I better get up there and help her, and then we'll run to the dump. Okay, Natalie got her all loaded up. It's easier to just take the bags out of the cans and just toss them in here. You'll see why when we get there. I'm not sure if we can film once we're there. If the dump guy is there, I really don't want to film with him being around, but he might not be there, so let's see. Izzy always comes with us too. No.
So much.
Izzy.
She puked everywhere.
Oh no, where?
Oh, it smells so bad right there.
Oh, Houston, we have a problem.
She was just sitting there and she just turned and went, ugh.
Oh, and she wanted to get out too. We stopped her from being good.
Ew.
All right, take care of that, and then we'll go to the dump.
Ow.
Just so you're aware of the gravity of this problem, There's puke under the seat. It's on a rope right there. Some paperwork that I had laying on the floor. Oh, that's a receipt. This is going to take a while. Okay, she's cleaned up as good as it's going to get. Now I'm just waiting on Natalie. She had to, we sprayed odor killer on it because it was just nasty. Now we gotta load up the dog and get going. Izzy, come. Come on, drop your ball. Drop the ball.
Release.
Come on. She don't want to come by me. Oh, great. Right in front of, oh, there it goes. All right, little pukey dog.
Are you smelling your puke? Did you puke? Yeah. You tried to. Oh, your breath smells.
Some, looks like ducks. 1, 2, yeah, it's a duck, all right. Looks like natural causes to me. Yuck. Here's a combine. These guys are probably coming to lunch. Busy little area. We need to go get some feed. That's why this is the general store here. I'm just waiting on this guy. Okay, let's go get some feed. So we came here for horse feed, but they were out. But this place, everybody comes here for lunch and stuff. They have a little deli and a diner, and you can find medicines for cattle and all that stuff right next to like ketchup and things like that. So that's a grain cart right there. Well, that's going to be about it. The saw is blowing some blue smoke still, so I need to adjust the carburetor, get this thing tuned up. So I'm going to do that after lunch, and I may come back and do this stuff today, but there's so little time after lunch to do stuff that I might not be able to get to it. So I might do this stuff later. If I do, I'll make another video. If you want to see that, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the update icon. If you have any questions or comments, put it in the comment section below, and giving us a like and or sharing the video helps the channel out greatly. Thanks for watching and have a great day.